Hi there. I'm that guy, also known as David McNulty. Welcome to Studio B here in the Industrial Neighbor Building. This is a better late than never production. Welcome. The visuals today are being provided by a couple of old drinking buddies of mine. On the left is Duncan Meniscus, and on the right is Bob Farrett. It's pronounced like we have a Boston accent, right, Bob? Okay. Yeah. Farrett. We're all Farrett. No, just him. And today I'm going to reopen the podcast with a story that just kind of wrote itself out of nowhere and a stack of song titles by what will become very obvious is Steely Dan. And I'm still kind of, it's one of those, every so often people will say, well, I don't remember writing something or you know, and it's something profound. And I understand that now because this sort of just happened. It was almost like there was a pre-knowing of something or other, and it all fell together in a really interesting way. Anyway, I call it entitled Steely Dan. I was in the club mudroom showing Necky the Goose the honk changes in the East St. Louis Toodaloo when a belly dancer by the name of Steaming Kettley Tea Leaves revealed that the reason I can't buy a thrill is because Katie lied about the status of our membership in the royal scam. Cringe maker Junkie Girl admitted she was through with Buzz, bad sneakers, and time out of mind dirty work just as I got the contract for the Boston Rag from the Batmalon sisters down at the tea house on the tracks in their green earrings and your gold teeth, Maxine. Don't be such a negative girl night by night on the dunes, I told her. You're lucky Henry got his Haitian divorce as a hard-up case, but I swear this moody bustard has a snowbound Charlie freak pixeline monkey in his soul whose only thought is, what a shame about me. And Cousin Dupree says everyone's gone to the movies with Asia, and other than everything you did causing a fire in the hole of the Florida room rented from the gaucho who called himself Godwhacker in the almost gothic slang of ages, everything's fine. But if your girlfriend gaslighting Abby in the Fez has you reeling in the years with the Razor Boy and the Showbiz Kids, don't ever say, I said, Ricky, don't lose that number, because only a fool would say that. Daddy don't live in that New York City no more, keened my neighbor Rose Darling. I gave the caves of Altamira the goodbye look under chain lightning setting out Black Friday morning on the Trans Island Skyway to the last mall in Barrytown. There had been a recent change of the guard on the new frontier, as any major dude will tell you, here at the Western World, quoting from the Book of Liars under the countermoon on Blues Beach, where they surf and or die on cue when the jack of speed hits the gas in the midnight cruiser. Hiding out with my personal bodhisattva, Little Kauai, we feasted like kings until I got the news that Jamie Runaway and Kid Charlemagne had become two against nature down in the bottom of the glamour profession west of Hollywood. Any World with Brooklyn FM, Medical Science with Josie, and Lunch with Gina or Tomorrow's Girls is the peg on which the nightfly can hang his Lady Parker's band of rubber insiders to more efficiently throw back the little ones. Deacon Blues heard Dr. Wu, also known as the King of the World, say, I'm off to my Waterloo. Don't take me alive or I'll do it again. The things my rival third world man sought through his pretzel logic in springtime were the things I missed most, like the everything must go sales to turn that heartbeat over again at the Green Book on Green Flower Street. The pearl of the quarter used to, hey 19, Ruby baby, right on by my old school, and then walk between the raindrops with a gun and a big black cow, hat too flat, home at last. Won't you sign in, stranger?